Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to prepare some fried catfish. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is wash your fish with some limes or lemon juice. Then I went ahead and pat it dry, and the seasonings I'll be using today is Old Bay, seasoned salt, some fish seasoning, black pepper, garlic and onion powder. You want to mix that well to combine, and then you want to add a little bit of mustard to your fish, not a lot, just a little bit, like a tablespoon or two. And then I went in with some fresh green seasoning. I can leave a link to that down in the description box for those that are interested. But if you don't have it or you don't want to use it, you can clearly omit. So once all the seasonings are added, you want to get in there with your hands and just make sure that the fish is well coated with the seasonings. Once I was done, I just covered this and placed it in the fridge to marinate for about an hour while I cook some spaghetti. I love me some spaghetti and fish. So that's what I did. For the breading, I'll be using some cornmeal, cornstarch, and some self-rising flour. Self-rising flour is great because it will add an extra crunch to that fish. For the seasoning, I have some cayenne pepper, garlic and onion powder, some Old Bay and seasoned salt. You want to mix that in well to combine. Well, the whisk wasn't doing it for me, so I just got in there with my hands and made sure that that was well incorporated. Once I was done, I went ahead and just coat my fish generously with it. Make sure that you pat and press that breading into the fish. Then you want to shake off the excess, place it on a baking sheet, and just carry on with that process until all your pieces of fish are well coated. Here I have my oil preheating to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You want the oil super hot, and then you want to go in with your pieces of fish. I will fry half of the batch at a time just to not overcrowd the skillet. Once the fish is nice and crispy and golden brown on all sides, you want to remove and carry on with the same process until you're all done. Look how gorgeous that fish is. But you want to make sure you fry this to your desired texture. If you like it super crispy and hard, just fry it for a very long time. If you like it soft, fry it for less time. And that's it, guys. That's my version of fried catfish. When I tell you this was so flavorful and delicious, I truly enjoyed it. It was perfectly done on the inside and super crispy on the outside. Like I said, I paired it with some spaghetti and my entire family enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.